niggas from the road, real niggas from the end, real niggas from the home. Homeboy, you ain't know. Had a bitch sucking on a lollipop at the bus stop. Green clock, red clock. They ain't really ready for me when I. They ain't really ready for me when I. What's a blood clot? Niggas know not what, nigga want not. Yeah. From the Fort Knox, this ain't Fortnite, nigga. Get your shit rock, nigga. Buckshots. And my pictures like a mugshot. And all my bitches got butt shots.
Butt shots. Left man dead in the damn lot. In the kitchen pouring up the walk. I'm on the fucking clock. Butt shots. Everybody in this bitch got a blood shot. Hold up, nigga, push up, now we on your block. Bitch, I'm out the bean in the damn walk.
Got a clip in his fold. Leave a motherfucker in the pants where they bust up. Man, I was grown up since a young blood. Now I'm busting off shots where they bust up. Back in my younger days, all I want was braids. All my mama want for me was grace. They ain't really ready for me when I
One stop, get some drugs in the damn block.
Got them bullets aiming at your head top. AK-47, try to run up and we send shots. Walking with my chains out on the outlaw. I was drippy drool, don't try to run up, you get dropped out. Yeah, pull up pheasant with the top down. I went gang with some baddies on a yacht now.
We scream with passion. Can't remember what the moment. Can't recall what a moment. We cry, praying to the sky. Charismatic, glorious reflection. Brother, your faith plays the stunning, loving gaze. Since the serenading, healing as of a mother's embrace. Moving me such vibrancy, holidays, ever perishing romanticism and pouring from. Now I will pray for fallen angels. Set me up, set that mic up. Epic, disconnected, dramatic, separate messes. Anyone emptiness, torn, store, swore, support, cut short, force to force, swords to door, shredding, tearing each other